How to create a public profile on Snapchat without being 18. So first, go over to your Snapchat and then click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then go ahead and click on Settings. And then you'll see the birthday option at the third option right there. So tap on birthday. So go ahead and tap on this, and you can see that you can only change it a limited number of times. So go and change your birthday so that you are above 18. And then once you change it, go back, then restart it, reopen Snapchat. So click on your profile icon once more. Scroll all the way down and you'll see this create public profile. So you just have to tap on that and then click on continue, and you'll see what this allows you to do. So just click on continue and then get started, and then you'll be able to create a public profile on Snapchat without being 18.